I never sleep, I just sit in my room, avoiding the dreams that I have about you. I'll come back when I'm ready, the change in the view is what I crave. My emotion is bruised, I can't get a break, I'm young and a fool. The sun finally rises when I wake anew. The depth I have reached, I have never gone to. The depth I have sunken, too tied to my shoes. I'm heavy, I'm weighted, the things that I've hated are now more related to things that I've lived. My plans are rejected and time I've invested. I never expected that I'd feel like this. I can't fall asleep, I'm spilling out everything onto these beats and I forget to eat. I gotta wait because I couldn't breathe and it's making me weak. You need to take care of me as I will walk, I will pick up my feet. You know I hold it against me. Come back, I hope you hate me. I dream but I can't fall asleep. You know it's all I think about. You know all I think about. Come back, I hope you hate me. If I fall asleep, you know it's all I think about. Time is important, it doesn't return, and only in distant I catch and I burn. A mixture of thinking and real life hurt. I look at my hands, they're covered in dirt. When I arrive and I'm done with my cleanse, I'm gonna know who is truly a friend. And in the end, when I lay on my bed feeling dead, then at least I don't trust you again. So many alive, but then when they die, they can't even say that they gave it a try. They're just here to survive. Even while dying, I find it inside to not waste my life. Yeah, I have worked too hard, the things that I want to become. Moving on, it's never easy, you know